Hi guys, welcome back to J's Kitchen. Today I'll take you back in the kitchen with me and I'll show you how I made my Callaloo fritters. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment, and tell a friend to tell another friend about J's Kitchen. You can also follow me on Facebook at J's Kitchen. The link for my Facebook page will be in the description box. You can also follow me on Instagram. It's J's Kitchen. Once again guys, all of my recipes are listed down below. Go ahead and try them out and let me know what you think. So here I have my flour, and this is 1 cup of counter flour. I also have 1 glass of water, and I might not use all of this water. Also I have salt and my callaloo, of course. So first what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go ahead and add the salt to the flour, and you want to ensure that you combine the salt and the flour together so that it will be evenly distributed. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go ahead and add my callaloo. And guys, while I'm doing all of this, I already have my frying pan that I'm gonna fry my fritters in on the stove with some vegetable oil. Also, you want to ensure that your callaloo is evenly distributed also. So always mix it in first with the flour before you go ahead and add the water. Also at this stage guys, I decided that I'm gonna add some black pepper. Once again, if you're watching this video, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Tell your friends, tell your family members about J's Kitchen. And as you can see, I'm adding the water. And of course, I'm just going to add the water at different stages. Once again, guys, as I said before, I add 1 cup of water before, but as you can see, I didn't use all of the water, just a small amount of the water. Alright, so this is what my butter look like. So of course, you know, we have to just leave our butter for roughly 10 minutes or so before we add it to the pot. Alright guys, so after 10 minutes, it's time to go ahead and start dropping my fritters. So I'm just using a big spoon to drop small portion of the butter in the hot oil. And of course, you're gonna allow it to be golden brown first before you flip it on the other side. And guys, you want to always be extra careful because you don't want the oil to spill and then you cause a mess. So I'm just gonna allow one side to cook for roughly 45 minutes. Then I'm gonna show you what it looks like, and also we are going to cook the other side. Alright guys, so now it's time to go ahead and flip it on the other side because you want the other side to fry as well. And as you can see, my callaloo fritters coming along quite fine. So I'm just gonna allow this side to be golden brown, then I'm gonna show you what it looks like. Alright guys, so now it's time to go ahead and remove my fritters from the hot oil. As you can see, my fritters is golden brown, perfect. So I allow one side to cook for roughly 4 to 5 minutes, and then I allow the other side to cook for roughly 4 to 5 minutes also. So I'm just putting this on a napkin, then I'm going to show you the final product. So guys, this is the final product of my callaloo fritters, and I serve this up with some cook up saltfish with tomato, scallion, and of course bell peppers and my Scotch bonnet pepper. Once again, guys, I hope you enjoyed this short video. I hope you try it out, and I hope you tell your family members, tell your friends about Callie J's Kitchen. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, see you in the next video. Bye.